Welcome back to another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit your notification bell so you don't miss nothing when I post. Leave a comment. It don't cost you nothing. But let's get into this little chat reaction video. Strong Mommy Chrissy. Now you are a liar. I must say, a good role actress too. I must say. I must say. Now, these are my thoughts and opinions on your shenanigans. Okay? So, I never wish bad on no children, because children don't deserve to be put in that kind of circumstance. But lady, you got to do better for yourself, Strong Mommy Chrissy. You got to humble your mouth. You know, you come out on your videos, little sassy, little bougie, like you a millionaire type female, you know what I'm saying? I understand you got to keep up with your platform, you know, but you don't got to be like the Joneses, girl. And a real person that is struggling, my nigga, to take care of kids, women out here, we don't do all that. So let's get to your eviction in Las Vegas. Now, I believe before you left Las Vegas, you had already moved before Blama exposed you. You moved. And that's why you stayed on that trip. Because you knew everything was okay back in Vegas. Now, your bold-faced lie, your consistencies in your stories don't sound correct at all. Out here in Vegas, if that rent ain't paid from the 1st to the 15th, which is your last day, you will get evicted. And I ain't never heard, out of all the years I've been on this earth and a native of Las Vegas, you could pay your rent on the 21st. I ain't never in life heard of that. Period. Because it is no such thing, Strong Mommy Chrissy. Now, you're making all these multiple, like you say, multiple incomes. You shouldn't even have no problem paying rent if that is the circumstance. And constables in Las Vegas, they don't come out on Saturdays. So that's impossible out here. And I've had plenty of people around me and had evictions. Now, I, myself, I've never had an eviction. So please stop lying on the LV. Stop lying. You moved already. You were already stabled before you left. And then you had come on here with these bald-faced ass lies on your platform about your manager. You got into it with somebody in the office. If you was having problems with the manager, you would have been vacated out of their property. It wouldn't have just happened now, Chrissy. And no, who gonna feel sorry for you because you got 8 kids? Like they should have gave you mercy. They should not have gave you nothing because they ain't gonna get nobody else no mercy. And then your husband took all your money. That's crazy. Because I'm pretty sure you would have made a video back months ago saying that your husband took your money. But girl, you've been doing too much on your platform. So I wouldn't even believe that's true neither. Yeah, it's hard for a single mother out here in the streets. It's hard. But my nigga, you ain't got to lie about it neither. You should have just kept it 100. And I could never be jealous of you. Because I'm riding your ass blocks away. Not miles, like you told Olivia. I'm riding your ass blocks away. Right in your motherfucking city. You need to learn how to manage your fucking money, Strong Mommy Chrissy. And stop bragging about what the fuck you make. Because at the end of the day, we don't give a fuck. Because we could see you going through eviction after eviction after eviction. And your brother in that video, I believe everything that young man said. You ain't getting away with nothing out here in Las Vegas because they don't play. They don't play out here with evictions. You don't pay or you got problems with the renter people, you getting the fuck out. They don't give a fuck. So don't be trying to act like coming to our motherfucking city, you this bitch that everybody should be looking out for because you got 8 kids, 9, however many. I'm around bitches that got 11, 12 every motherfucking day in the motherfucking hood. And I ain't never seen my bitches sit up and complain the way you do, and you got 9 motherfucking kids. So, homegirl, when you gonna tell a story, tell a real motherfucking story on this motherfucker. Period. You ain't been on here way too long to keep making these drama ass, ridiculous ass stories, Strong Mommy Chrissy. Show us something different. More time with them kids. Doing more activities with your kids. Not you doing seafood boils. You doing these wig reviews. Like what? You got so many personalities about yourself, girl. It's ridiculous. But your stories are very inconsistent out here in Vegas because you lying. Constables don't even come out on those Saturdays in Las Vegas. And you said they came and knocked. Nah, girl, you was already moved before you went on that damn trip. And when your ass got exposed, you had to make it seem like your mama, you had to call your mama. Girl, please, stop all that shenanigans. Please stop. Learn some kind of responsibility. Yeah, you're a good mother, but your responsibilities are poor. Very poor, Strong Mommy Chrissy. And you need to grow up, and you need to buckle down, girl, and you need to humble, because ain't nobody in their right mind renting someplace gonna go in the office and talk shit to a receptionist, whether it was the manager or whoever. You should have buckled down and shut the fuck up. You knew you and your kids had to have a place to stay, girl. You got multiple kids. That's not even what's up. And you ain't got no man to help you either. That don't look good. And I forbid to have a life like you. But then, girl, stop lying. Because you out here lying in these motherfucking streets. And that's my 2 cents, my nigga. And I could never be jealous of the next bitch. Periods. Never, ever. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all on the next video.